Elders has been a dedicated and trusted provider of the agricultural business for 185 years, covering a range of services from rural product sales, whether it be retail or wholesale, agency, whether it be livestock, wool or grain. We operate around about 350 branches across Australia.
At Elders, we have an 8-point plan which sets our objectives for the coming 3 years. We're focused on running the business firstly, but transforming the business, and then innovating and growing.
The system program for Elders is quite a complex process. We cover real estate, livestock, retail, finance and so on. So a lot of diverse businesses. Our current application, which is a homegrown custom ERP, which we built over the last 34 years, has around 14.5 million lines of code, over 16,000 programs, and we have close to 200 integrations between intra-platform and also with our external third parties. So migrating that to a cloud system like Dynamics is quite a complex process. We've had to break it up into multiple waves and chunk it down piece by piece as we migrate.
I think we're at the point where we need to uplift our technology and move to a more modern, sophisticated tech platform so we can service our customers better, look after our internal people as well, equip them with the right tools to service their clients, and also think about supporting our future growth. So as a business, our priorities were to select applications across all the functions that will replace our AS400, ranging from Workday for HR, Microsoft Dynamics for our core systems, whether it be financials, our retail selling systems, our CRM systems, Adobe Experience Manager for our digital platform. So we chose a platform that we could run cloud-native applications and be hosted in Microsoft's Azure cloud. To help us deploy our whole systems modernisation journey, we decided to collaborate, work together, I call it shoulder to shoulder, with an external partner, and we chose Deloitte to do that.
Elders came out to market to find a solution implementer for their Microsoft Dynamics implementation, and through our initial conversations we saw that we were a natural fit with the organisation, and the collaboration started from the beginning.
Elders has its own culture, and what we found is as soon as Deloitte came in, they quite quickly fitted into the Elders culture. So it became quite a natural relationship that we developed a lot of respect and trust between the two organisations.
In the early discussions with Deloitte, what we spoke about was how do we win together?
They conducted close to 130 workshops with our key SMEs. Quite successfully, we received good outcomes, and we're able to, from there, lock down a lot of the design and configuration that we're now implementing as part of the build process.
Impacts through to our branch network and head office staff has started to apply through the initial deployments that we have had in Wave 1. However, as we go through our modernisation journey and deploy all the retail selling systems and so on through Wave 2 and thereafter, that's where we'll see the real impacts.
Clients, they'll get access to data that's not available to them today, and also benefit from standardised modern business processes. The current state is that our data is fragmented across a number of ERPs. Part of system modernisation is to bring that data together. From my perspective, that will be a light bulb moment for Elders and bring in opportunities for use of artificial intelligence to analyse that data but provide advanced analytics to the business.
Deloitte overall helped us think holistically about the whole program. They were very flexible in the arrangements they were able to put in place for us, and proved to have a lot of experience that we would require to implement Microsoft Dynamics.
In order to make this program work successfully, again, I think it needs to be a win-win on both sides, Deloitte's side and our side. We're currently embarking on one of the hardest programs this company has ever seen. Future landscape-wise, we will be ready to catch the ball. Less focus on business as usual and maintaining, and a lot more focus on how can we innovate, how can we deliver better customer experiences and give our staff an easier platform to do their jobs.